In this quick video, I want to help you fix any portable fan that has a red arrow light that blinks. And it doesn't matter what model you have, there's multiple different fans that can have this red arrow light, and the fix is pretty much the same. It's basically for portable fans that has the red blinking light. So the first thing you want to do is remove any power cords that's located on it, and remove, if the battery is detachable, remove the battery or take the batteries out. All right, and what we're doing is we're doing a soft reset on it. And again, this is universal with all fans. And you want to hold down the power button, and sometimes they're on the side. If it's a Ryobi or another job site one, there's a trigger, and you just hold down the trigger. So you want to either hold down the trigger or the power button, and most of them will be the power button, and you hold it down for 20 seconds and you don't let go. It's unplugged. If it has removable batteries, do it. Some of them don't, they're inside, that's rechargeable. But you're going to hold down the power button and you're not going to let go for 20 seconds. All right? And it might turn the fan on, that's fine. But you're going to hold it down for 20 seconds and then you're going to let go. And that does a reset. Plug it back in or turn it back on and see if it removes the red light. A lot of times it will. Sometimes it just means that it's not charged fully. So make sure if you haven't charged it in a while that it's charged for a good hour or two. If you're charging it, let's say it's got like a mini USB like this. What you're going to do is, of course, plug it into a computer or a laptop. And this one uses a mini USB-C. Go ahead and try a different USB port on the laptop or desktop, or try a different power source altogether in your car, and let it sit for a good hour without actually using it. See if the red light will come off. Better yet, if you can hook it up to a wall outlet like this, and you can get these pretty much anywhere, a little USB wall outlet, plug that into the wall for a good couple hours and see if the light turns off. If it does, then you know the issue is with your power source, like a laptop's not giving it enough power. All right. If that doesn't work, try a different USB cord altogether. You might have a faulty mini USB, so you might have another one laying around, or just get one off of eBay or Amazon, a mini USB or whatever cord it uses, and see if that will fix the issue. Plug it in for a couple hours and see if that will fix the issue. Now, a lot of times it can be an overheating problem. So if you have it in direct sunlight, a lot of times that will do it. Or if it's near a heat, like if you're in the car or inside and you're near a heater, overheating it will cause that red light. So take it away from the heat source, put it in a more cooler temperature, room temperature, and see if that fixes the issue. And one thing you can do with overheating, you can get like an aerosol can, or you can get like a hair dryer like this and blow around it, remove any dust. Now, the cover of this one is removable, but if it's not removable, you can get like a tissue to remove the dust. But get you like a hair dryer and go all the way around the crevices and in the fan, inside and out, like this. And you can do that. Make sure you have it on cool, because you don't want to melt the plastic, and see if that will fix the issue. I'm pretty confident that should fix your red light issue. So it's something, if it doesn't fix it, then it could be like a power issue inside. You might have to just get it serviced or get a new fan. If you are in the market for a new fan, I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get this one off of Amazon. It's called a Warmco. You can get it in white or black. And I like it because it's got the LED light, but the battery will last up to 48 hours on low or 24 hours on high. And I like it because it's sleek. So if I'm camping out in my car or van, it doesn't take up a lot of room. So again, link in the comment section where you can get it off of Amazon. And let me know in the comment section what brand you have. Do you have a Hercules? Do you have a Shark? What do you have? And if I did fix your issue, let me know in the comment section which method worked for you. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.